Hey Aurora Unit, hope everybody continues to do well. It is Wednesday, May 20th, and I figured it was a good time to check in with you. So yesterday you did your Kahoot, and hopefully you did well on your water cycle check-in. Before we talk about today's work, I just want to point out, it's been a while since I've seen you and you've seen me. My hair is probably the longest it's ever been. I'm going anti-haircut. I actually have stuff at home that I could cut my hair, but I figured, hey, let me grow it out. So you're probably used to seeing me with a nice shaved head. Well, I've kind of done the opposite, and it's probably the longest it's been in my life. So I just wanted to point that out, something random. Anyway, today we are going to move into another part of the weather that is kind of connected to the water cycle that is called humidity. All right, you've probably heard of that word before. Not just humidity today, but you're going to be exposed to the words humidity, relative humidity, something called saturation, dew point, precipitation, a whole bunch of stuff. So one important thing I want to point out is the work that you get today for Wednesday is also going to be for tomorrow, Thursday. So what I give you today is a 2-day assignment. Now you have the choice that you can finish it all today if you want, or you can break it up over 2 days because no new work is going to be assigned tomorrow, Thursday, and we'll have our typical fun Friday on Friday. So again, today's work is meant for 2 science classes. Now, I'm going to ask one thing of you today. When you do the work, some of us sometimes have a tendency to rush through things. Can we make sure everything's going to be located on a Google document? And also, you're going to have to go into your BrainPop accounts as well. I ask that you read through the Google document, read everything that's there, read it in order. You might have to reread sometimes. There's going to be some video links that are a part of the Google document. Yes, you need to watch the videos. They're not that long. Maybe watch them twice. And at the end, there are going to be some questions that you have to answer showing what you've learned. All of the answers are in either the video or the Google document itself. One of the questions is actually going to have you go on that Weather Underground website that we went on the beginning of the meteorology unit, and it's going to have you search in Monmouth Junction, where the school is at, to find some data. So again, make sure you follow the instructions today. If you do turn in the work and I find that a lot of the answers and the questions are incorrect, I'm going to be sending it right back to you to do it again. So again, take your time and do your best. Now, the topics today can be a little tricky. And I know we might be a little confused by some things. I'm still kind of confused by some things myself. I'm kind of learning some of this as I go as well. But if you use the resources that I prepared for you, you can be successful with the majority of what you're getting today to do. All right, so it's either going to be on the Google Doc, or you're going to have to go into your BrainPop account and watch the video. Yes, you need to watch the video. It's about 7 minutes long. Some people, they fast forward through and don't watch. You need to watch, and then you'll take the BrainPop review quiz. All right, and the answers for the quiz are in the video. I've double checked. All right, so one more time, today's work is also meant for tomorrow, Thursday. It's a 2-day assignment, so I would try to spend about a half hour each day. Or do it all in one, but please do not rush through it. Now, today's topic is humidity, and humidity is often described as how sticky the air feels outside. Well, I'm standing outside right now, and the air feels nice, dry, and beautiful. So we kind of associate that with a low humidity day. But I'm also sure you've been in some days where the air is very sticky and you can't seem to stop sweating outside. That would be a high humidity day. All right, so humidity is very important and part of the water cycle and part of our daily weather and climate. All right, so have a great Wednesday. And any questions, I'll be around to help you out, and just do your best on your work. And I hope, again, all is well with you and your family.